Hey everyone, welcome back to Empowerment Odyssey, your go-to place for all things YouTube. Today, we're diving into a hot topic that every aspiring YouTuber and curious viewer wants to know. What do people want to see on YouTube? I get asked this question all the time. What makes a video go viral? What do people want? What should I be making? It's a tough one. But I think I've got some answers. Let's get started. People love learning new skills and solving problems. Whether it's a makeup tutorial, a cooking recipe, or a tech guide, instructional videos are incredibly popular. I mean, think about it. I can't tell you how many how-to videos I've watched on this platform. From learning how to edit videos to learning how to build a skateboard ramp, YouTube has been my teacher for years. It's no surprise that this is the #1 most desired content on the platform. Before making a purchase, viewers want to see honest reviews and first impressions. Unboxing videos are particularly exciting because they capture the thrill of opening something new. A good unboxing is like a magic trick. You get to experience the product for the first time along with the creator. It's exciting, and it can be really helpful when you're trying to decide what to buy. People love connecting with authentic, relatable content. Sharing daily life, travel adventures, or personal experiences makes viewers feel like they're part of your journey. This is the bread and butter of YouTube. Vlogs are what made this platform what it is today. People love getting to know the people they watch. They want to know what you had for breakfast, what you're doing today, and what you're thinking about. From music videos and comedy skits to challenge videos, entertainment keeps viewers coming back for more laughs and enjoyment. This is the stuff that makes YouTube fun. It's the stuff that you can watch when you just want to relax and take a break from the world. Music, comedy, challenges, all of it is designed to make you smile. Viewers turn to YouTube to learn about science, history, personal development, and more. Channels that make learning engaging and accessible are highly valued. It's like school, but way more fun. There are so many amazing educational channels on YouTube that can teach you anything you want to know, and they do it in a way that's actually engaging and entertaining. Gaming content is massive on YouTube. Whether it's Let's Plays, walkthroughs, or gaming tips, there's a huge audience for gaming videos. I'm not a huge gamer myself, but I can see why this is so popular. It's like watching someone else play your favorite game, and it can be really helpful if you're stuck on a level or need some tips. And crafting videos are perfect for those who love to create. From home improvement projects to arts and crafts, these videos inspire viewers to get hands-on. I love the videos. I'm always looking for new products to try, and YouTube is the perfect place to find them. There are so many talented people out there sharing their skills and ideas. Workout routines, meditation guides, and health advice are always in demand. People are always looking for ways to improve their health and well-being. And YouTube is a great resource for finding information and inspiration. There are tons of fitness channels out there that can help you get in shape, learn how to meditate, and live a healthier lifestyle. Whether it's current events, political analysis, or opinion pieces, these channels offer insights and discussions on what's happening in the world. This is a great way to stay informed about what's going on in the world. And it's also a great way to hear different perspectives on current events. Live streams provide real-time interaction. From Q&A sessions and gaming streams to live events, live streaming connects creators directly with their audience. This is the future of YouTube. Live streaming is a great way to connect with your audience in real time. You can answer questions, get feedback, and just chat with your viewers. It's a really cool way to build a community around your channel. So, there you have it, the top 10 types of content that people want to see on YouTube. It's a pretty diverse list, which just goes to show that there's something for everyone on this platform. No matter what you're interested in, you're sure to find something to watch on YouTube. What type of content do you love watching or creating? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.